Where does Credit Karma get its information about your credit report? Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In the following video, I'll answer your questions as to how where does Credit Karma get its information about your credit report. So, make sure to stick with us till the end to know more about Credit Karma and where it gets its information about you. So, without any further delay, let us begin. So, the score and credit report information you see on your Credit Karma account comes from TransUnion, which is one of the three main credit reference agencies in the United Kingdom. Now, Credit Karma isn't a credit reference agency. This means that the lenders don't directly report information to Credit Karma and they don't calculate your credit score. Rather, they only show you information and a score that's directly provided to them by TransUnion. Now, TransUnion receives your information from financial organizations, local authorities, courts, and insolvency services. This information is presented to you on Credit Karma so that you can better understand your credit history. Now, lenders and organizations will look into your credit history as part of your application and then will take this into account when making their decision. So, hope I answered your questions as to where does Credit Karma get its information about your credit report. The simple answer is it gets all of its credit report from TransUnion. So, hope this video answered your question. That was it for this video. Hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, make sure to leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.